Hey everyone, it's Bill the RV guy here again at Leo's Vacation Center. Today I'm going to do a walk around on a new 2023 Cougar 316Rls. I'm going to show you why Cougar is one of the best values in all the fifth wheel world. One of the best selling fifth wheels of all time. There's a good reason for that with Cougar. More features for the dollar than any other fifth wheel on the market. Come check it out with me. I'm even going to show you the brain inside this unit. This 2023 Cougar RLS comes equipped with 200 watts of solar and a lithium battery standard. You're going to see that we have power when we go inside because of the solar panels that are on it. It has an extremely large basement for a fifth wheel this size. Your termination station right here with your tank pools, water inlet, all that can be done through that access point down there. Over here, we've got the solar controller, solar chargers, you see the lights on, and also the auto leveling control. One of the great features on the 2023s versus the previous year models, you now have on-demand hot water. Rear ladder is standard, along with a hitch on the back that can hold 300 pounds, bike rack, cooler rack. Dual awnings on this model. It is a rear living room, so you get a lot of awning coverage. Solid steps by Lippert. We also have the new safety rail. It's a railing that goes all the way down. This is new for 2023. Outside TV or satellite hookup. Do have light in here. And as I mentioned before when I started, this unit has a brain. It's called In Command and it's Global Link. The cool thing about this is you can control your RV via Wi-Fi or cellular connection from virtually anywhere in the world. And I downloaded it onto my iPad. Now that I've got it loaded onto the iPad and paired with a unit, I can monitor and control these systems from anywhere in the world. thanks for taking this tour with me of the 316 RLS 2023 Cougar fifth wheel. So many great features, so much to check out. Come see me at Leah's Vacation Center. I'm Bill the RV Guy. My contact information is coming up right after the video. Please like and share. We appreciate it. Thanks.